In this video I'm gonna show you how to make the free needle bind off. So I have here two pieces I've knitted in a stockinette stitch. One has the working yarn, and let's say I already slip the other piece from the stitch holder to my working needle, so you need 3 needles for this. You can also do the same technique with my hooded cowls, which are knitted with circular needles. So there you would be dividing all the stitches you have on 2 needles and making sure that you have even amount of stitches on both sides. So you will be working them together in the same manner I'm going to show you with these stitches here on the needles. So if you have stockinette stitch, I would recommend to work the stitches together with the purse side facing. So keep the piece where you have the working yarn at the back and the other piece at the front. And what you want to do now is knit the stitches together. So as in the regular bind off, you would need at least 2 stitches on your right needle to start the bind off. So the same applies here. So first I'll start to work these stitches together with knit stitch. So I do the same method as I would be knitting a stitch, but I do it through both of the stitches. So first I go into the first stitch that is in the front of the other needle and go from right to left. No, it's left to right, yes, and also to the other stitch from left to right. So I have these 2 loops here on my needle. Now I will put the yarn over and pull through the both loops of the both needles, and when I have this loop here securely on my right hand needle, I will let go of the 2 loops that were on the left hand needle. So now I have made 1 stitch. I will knit the second one also, doing the same from left to right through both stitches as I would be knitting the stitch, and let go of the 2 loops on the left hand needle. Now I can make the first bind off. So I have 2 stitches here on my right hand needle. I will pass the second one over the stitch I just worked. So I would have 1 on my right hand needle. This is now 1 stitch that I have bind off. So I will work another stitch also. We'll start knitting them through both loops, yarn over, and do the same here. So the second loop over the first one on my right hand needle to bind off the stitch. Let's continue. So when you work all the stitches, make sure that you have an even amount on both needles, so anything wouldn't be extra. And when we finish, we should have a really nice seam that is like an invisible join. So now I have 2 stitches left. These, and with the last one you want to cut the yarn and pull it through the loop to secure. So this is now the wrong side, that I will turn to the right side, and you see the seam here.